Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take a look at my chest rig. When I'm out in the desert exploring mines and salt basins, I like to carry a chest rig, and it's got all my essentials close by. I like to wear it in conjunction with my backpack. Let's take a look at the outside of the chest rig. So on the outside, it has great zipper pulls. They're easy to manipulate when you have gloves on. I have my headlamp, so when I'm underground in the mines I can turn it off and on easily here. I have my morale patch. I have some glow-in-the-dark light bars that I got at 511, so when I'm underground people can see me easily. I have my mechanics gloves attached to a carabiner here on the MOLLE webbing, so if I need to pick up rocks or climb a ladder underground or move things out of the way, I can do that easily, and they're right here. The back of the pouch has a ventilated padding, so not too much sweat, and light bar on this side. The pouch also features easy on and easy off clips. Let's take a look at the main compartment of the pouch. Inside the main compartment I have my firearm, and it has a Velcro patch and holster. The firearm has good retention. I can take this off easily and access my firearm if I need it. And it stays pretty tight right here. Alright, let's take a look inside the other main compartment. And here I keep all my essentials that I need quick access to. So first things first, I have some nitrile gloves. If I need to get down and dirty, or like I said, in conjunction with these I could pick something up or use these for touching nasty stuff. I keep a liquid IV in here. These are game changers for me. They work really well, especially in the dry desert heat, and they keep you hydrated. Next I have chapstick. Gotta have that in the dry desert heat. Up next I have my main light. This is a Olight Striker. Pretty bright, it's like 1,000 lumens. I have a hank of paracord. I can use this for multiple things. Glow sticks. Gotta have these when you're underground. If you come to an intersection in a mine and you want to remember which way you came from or which way you're going, break these, lay them down on the ground or hang them on a nail. They work great. Ear protection. I have some earplugs if I'm going to shoot my weapon. Snacks. Gotta have one of my favorite bars. This is the Tiger's Milk Cinnamon Churro. It's very tasty. Inside the last pouch I have hand warmers, just in case it's cold and windy. The desert does get cold and windy, so I have some of these. If I'm hiking into a mine far away or something like that, they work. I usually have wipes in here if I need to wipe my mouth or wipe my hands off or use the bathroom. I have those also. Alright everyone, thanks for watching today. If you have any suggestions, or let me know what you carry in your pouches or your exploration kits, where you got it, that would be helpful. Thanks again.